Snow everywhere. After the blizzard, everything is quiet. The storm was loud, the wind was strong, it felt overwhelming. But look at this. God covered everything in beauty. What tried to shake you, God used to strengthen you. What felt chaotic, He turned into something peaceful. Just like this snow, His grace covers it all. He calms the storm so that its waves are still. Psalm 107:29. If you're coming out of a storm, the sun still shines. The storm didn't break you, it built you. Share this with someone who needs hope.